Isn't it cool? This tool helps to clean both the sides of the glass, inside and outside, at the same time, saving time and effort. Just like this tool, don't we all need something that works on both the sides? That is, personally and professionally. That's exactly what a growth mindset does. It works on the inside and the outside by cleaning up, leveling up, and helps us to grow. So, upgrade your mindset today with growth mindset. Join us this Thursday, the 31st of July at 8:30 p.m. for an online session.